John Truson. This is for Physics 1101, Fall 2022. All right, I know this is still beginning of July, but course is coming up. A couple things here as far as what we're going to be having. All right, for the course, there are currently 4 sections. All right, they are all merged into one for online. For D2L purposes, everything is posted on D2L. I'm sending out an email with a link to this video as far as that's concerned, and how the class will work. The book for this course, which if I can get some point of information, will be Physics Giancoli, either the 6th or 7th edition of this textbook. So it's Physics Douglas Giancoli, either the 7th edition or the 6th edition will work just fine. You can get it online. You can share it with somebody else. I've used this book for about the last 4 years or so. So you can, that'll be the source there. All right, actually August 23rd at 8 a.m. Now, what is going to happen? I will send out again. This course will be entirely online. All the lectures are posted as YouTube lectures. And all I will do the first day of class is answer questions, but then class is going to be entirely online. And this will also include labs. Labs will be online. All right. With the lab link, lab handout, explain that the first day of class on August 23rd. As far as that, the sections, individual lab sections, Dr. Sayer will be available for questions if you want to ask questions about, but otherwise everything's online. You can talk to me as far as that is concerned. I'll talk about the final exam later on. Then I'll talk about the syllabus once the course gets started, and access starts on August 22nd. And then on the first class day, I'll talk about all that aspect of the course. The final will be on the day scheduled, right? I don't think there should be any conflicts as far as that's concerned. So that is the course. This is the textbook. And I hope you all have a rest of the good summer, and we will see you